Welcome to Jalsa Lifestyle Exhibition that is happening at Style Sphere Exhibition Center. The exhibition has beautiful collection of jewelry, whether it be wedding, festive. आपको जैसी चाहिए वैसी jewelry यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगी. Beautiful options in कच्छी dress material, sarees, beautiful options in anti-tarnish and fusion jewelry. Bags हैं, बहुत cute Christmas gifts के भी options हैं. 3-piece suit sets हैं, कुछ casual wear है. They also have lots of t-shirts. So swipe left to see the entire collection. So at this particular stall आपको बहुत ही सुंदर लहंगा set options मिल जाएंगे for your मेहंदी हल्दी functions. If you're a bridesmaid, in different color options and beautiful material work done. You'll also find lovely options in tissue dupattas, then some very pretty these lace blouses set के और options हैं. Blouses के तो बहुत सारे options हैं यहाँ पे. उसके अलावा इस particular stall पे आपको cute छोटी मोटी चीज़ें for kids, for yourself, you will find all those things here at this particular stall. You'll find these labubu pouches, then these storage bag options, kitchen towels, socks, and some options in cosmetics as well. If you're looking for bag options, then this is the right stall. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही सुंदर bags मिल जाएंगी अलग अलग colors में in different patterns. Look at this. You'll find all those options here. Alright. Then they have lots of options in these cute small bags जैसे wallets हो गया. Then they have these sling bags for your phone and your wallet. इसके साथ साथ कुछ और sling bags हैं यहाँ पे और टाइप्स की bags भी आपको अवेलेबल मिल जाएंगी. उसके साथ साथ नेक्स्ट स्टॉल पे आपको बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल अगर लाउंज वेयर टी शर्ट्स you want, then they have lots of options in those t-shirts. Look at that, something with back print पूरा. Okay, इसके अलावा they have bottom wear also. All right, okay. उसके साथ साथ उनके पास इंडियन वेयर में भी उतना ही कलेक्शन है. तो कोट सेट हो, 3-piece सूट सेट्स, सारा कलेक्शन. If you're looking for cute gifting items this Christmas, then we are at the right stall. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, please बताइए. Oh my God.
See this A4 size pouch.
Okay.
Especially for Christmas.
Yes.
Then,
Okay.
see this cute
Tumblers.
tumbler.
Yes.
Then solution for the lunch.
Lunch boxes.
Lunch boxes. Then Labubu collection.
Okay.
Small cute diary.
Alright.
Girls bracelet.
Bracelets के options हैं उनके पास. I also want to show you something very interesting. That is a notepad in the shape of a hamburger. उसके अलावा यहाँ पे आपको pouches मिल जाएंगे. You will find lot of options in stationery items for little ones. Look at this Ben 10 bag है. Then they have this cute storage box, compass box. This is a piggy bank. Some highlighters. Cute.
ये हमारी एंटी टार्निश रेंज है.
Okay, anti tarnish range.
ये बीडेड नेकलेस है, ब्रेसलेट्स है.
Okay, beaded neck pieces and bracelets.
ये है हमारा एंटी टार्निश ब्रेसलेट्स है.
Okay.
ये चार्म ब्रेसलेट्स है, ये कस्टमाइज हो सकते हैं.
Okay.
ये फोन चार्म्स है.
Phone charms. Okay. Cute keychains. Bracelets that can be customized. They have few beautiful options.
ये बैग चार्म्स और कीचेन्स है.
Back charms and keychains. Okay.
ये भी
Something
कस्टमाइज हो सकता है.
that she's wearing also is their new collection, so that is also very pretty. All right, so you can definitely check them out. They have lovely customizable collection पूरा. Beautiful. At this particular stall आपको बहुत ही सुंदर 3-piece सूट सेट के options मिल जाएंगे. So you'll find something in vibrant colors. अगर आपको हल्दी मेहंदी outfits के लिए कुछ चाहिए तो वो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Then if you want something for your trousseau, you will get those options here as well. These are 3-piece, so you will get the top. At this particular stall, you will find a lot of options in bottom wear in comfortable fabric. उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी cosmetics की चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. Massager है. They have lots of options in rollers like ice rollers है. They have silicone rollers. Then they have lip balms. They have these kitchen towels. Then they have these bottoms in different materials. Linen है, Korean cotton है, night suits हैं. And on the next stall you will find beautiful jewelry. So jewelry का बहुत सारा collection है. From delicate to statement pieces. Something in stones, something in moissanite. Look at this one also, very pretty. You find lots of options in these kadas. Also these kadas, these are very pretty. Look at them. So yes, you will find those here. अगर आपको लॉन्ग में कुछ options चाहिए, earrings या फिर rings में कोई option चाहिए, तो वो सारा collection यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Hello.
Hello ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so we have beautiful collection of Jaipuri bed sheets.
Jaipuri bed
with two
sheets.
cushion covers you can take, and it
Okay.
is just at 650.
Okay.
We have different kinds of varieties also.
Alright, different varieties, color options आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे भी, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं.
From dark to light color,
Dark to
everything
light.
is available.
Okay.
Such a beautiful color with floral design.
With floral design, right?
Then we have some unique towels, which
Okay.
we can say that are from South towels.
Okay, South towels हैं ये.
just soaking 10 minutes.
Okay.
And it is best for traveling.
Best for traveling as they soak or the water properly and they get dried up in 10 minutes. They have kitchen towels also here. थोड़े से
Collection of blankets.
blankets also.
Double bed, single bed.
Double bed and single bed options.
Just rupees 700.
700 and they have lots of stationery and cute items here. Hello. Yes, so मैम लेकर आए हैं पूरा कच्छी कलेक्शन. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक, उसके ऊपर एकदम कलर पॉपिंग कलर्स से एम्ब्रॉयडरी किया हुआ शॉल है पूरा. इट इज़ वेरी वार्म. ओके, उसके साथ साथ शॉर्ट टॉप्स की भी ह्यूज वेराइटी है उनके पास. लुक एट दैट.
गजे में आएगा.
Yeah.
मिरर वर्क.
ओके, प्योर गजी में मिरर वर्क के साथ. लवली. ऑलराइट.
कॉटन कुर्तीज.
कॉटन कुर्तीज भी है. लुक एट दैट. सो कॉटन कुर्तीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर विथ हैंडवर्क डिटेलिंग के साथ पूरा, एज यू कैन सी. ओके, उसके बाद दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस इन दीज कुर्तीज एज वेल. वन पीस भी है ये, समथिंग इन स्पैगेटी स्टाइल पूरा. ओके, लुक एट दैट. Shrug as well. At this particular stall, you will find lovely options in heritage jewelry. अगर आपको थोड़े minimal delicate options चाहिए, then you will find those here as well. Look at that. थोड़ा stone jewelry में भी जाना है, long में जाना है, बहुत सारे bangles के options हैं उनके पास. If you want something in statement wear, they have options there too. Then these pendant set options also in simple as well as in party wear. Rings के भी बहुत सारे options हैं. Then they have lovely options in these anti-tarnish kadas. Some cute delicate jewelry. Look at that. Very pretty.
Color changing earrings.
Color changing earrings. Wow. Okay. Interesting concept. So pick any kurta from this entire section for 700 flat rates. Look at that. W brand. Okay. So you can pick any for 700. Alright. At this particular stall you will find numerous option of jewelry because I'll show you the stall. It is like an unlimited stall. यहाँ पे आपको एंटी टार्निश कड़ा है, बहुत ही सुंदर options in charm bracelets है, loose bracelets. उसके साथ साथ पूरा wedding collection अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो you will find that here as well. Something in delicate stud option if you want, they have options here too. Then they have options in these fusion earrings as well. Look at that. These are more options in rings that they have. Cute dainty neck pieces and some more options in leg pieces as well.